to the students of DevCom 121 for choosing UHO in their projects for compliance with the requirements of DevCom 121. With regards to the materials that they develop for UHO, it is really very useful for us in disseminating what we have done to the university, to the students, and to the staff housing. This material also will serve also as a window for UHO, where this might result later on as a means of getting some feedbacks of what we have done, their comments and suggestions on how we can still improve our services, especially to the dormitory. With regards to the poster, I think this is very helpful because one of the poster which is really to minimize the cost of electricity. As a student, the experience also, I don't mind whether that will be 24-hour on the lights and all appliances because I'm not paying the cost of electricity. With those poster, I think this will remind the students, and this will sort of inculcate in their mind the values of trying to save our resources, and we can use it in more useful and more relevant activities. All in all, I think these materials are very helpful. We plan to release, in fact, we plan to release at least one newsletter every semester, so twice a year, and this is a good start. They give us what a newsletter is, give us an idea considering that we are not really communicators. So this really helps us develop that idea of how we could disseminate information and communicate with UPLB and UPLB constituent. Once again, thank you very much for the students who are really very helpful and professional in doing this publication material for UHO. Thank you very much.
So, assessing lahat ng mga nangyari ngayong semester sa DevCom 121. At first, there was a mutual need between us na grupo ng mga estudyante ng DevCom 121 and yung agency namin, UPLB Housing Office. Una, syempre, sa aming mga estudyante, yung kailangan namin ng agency na may need for publications. Nagkataon na ang UHO ay isang agency na marami sanang magiging publications pero wala pa sila masyadong publications. So dahil may mutual need between those two groups ay nagkaroon ng click, kumbaga, ang partnership namin with UHO. Isa sa mga bagay na nagpadali ng trabaho namin, syempre bukod sa pagiging very cooperative ng Atmensya sa pamumuno ni Dr. Cesar Ticoy at ng aming point person si Sir Nick Cali ng Private Housing Division, isa pa sa mga nagpadali ng trabaho namin is the fact that kaming mga estudyante, kami rin ang audience ng publications. Kumbaga, more than knowing the audience, we are the audience. So, kumbaga, alam namin kung ano yung malamang sa malamang ay papatok sa mga estudyante na magbabasa ng mga magiging outputs ng mga magiging publications. And on the part of the agency, since we know the audience, and basically we are the audience, so we can say that safely, is sa tingin namin ay may magandang glimpse na nakuha ang agency, ang UPLB Housing Office as to how they can approach the students, especially when it comes to their publications. So all in all, from a mutual need at the start of the semester, as we progressed ay nagkaroon ng mutual understanding till the end, hanggang sa matapos ng semester na ito, between UHO and sa ating mga estudyante ng DevCom 121 na nakipag-partner sa kanila. So on behalf of this, I am very thankful with the UPLB Housing Office for opportunity na makatrabaho sila, and we hope na yung mga nagawa naming publications ay makatulong hindi lang ngayon at this present point in time, but in the years to come.